Hello students, I take your conversation class. Okay. First matter is make sentence with which. Make sentence with which. When you ask about non-living things, then you use which. When subject is present indefinite tense, then you use after which do or does. For example, which fruit do you like? Which fruit do you like? Which book does? Which book does Sita like? Okay? When we use do or does, if sentence is present indefinite tense, then we use do or does after which. But when we use to be verb, then we use is or are after which. When we use to be verb, then we use is or are after which. For example, which is your house? Which is your house? Which is your favorite subject? You write another sentences in your copy. Your teacher will help you or your guardian will help you. Okay. Next matter is make sentence with how many. Make sentence with how many. When we ask about anything that is countable noun, then we use how many. Okay. When we ask about anything that is countable noun, then we use how many. For example, how many boys and girls? How many boys and girls are there in your classroom? Okay. How many mangoes are there in your basket? In the basket. You write how many glasses in your kitchen, how many friends have you. You write many sentences in your copy. Okay. Next matter is Make sentence with who. Make sentence with who. This is also used for living things. This is used for living things. When we ask about living things, then we use who. I write some sentences. For example, who is your father? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Who is your sister? Who is your uncle? You write many sentences, okay? Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? You write more sentences about in your copy. You will help with your teacher or guardian, okay? Next is make sentence with what. Make sentence with what. When we ask about anything, we use what. For example, what time is it? What is your name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? You write more sentences. You learned this matter in your previous classes, okay? Everyone remember? Everyone put the symbol of question mark, okay? Next matter is make sentence with where. Make sentence with where. When you ask about place, things or non-living things. When you ask about place, things or non-living things, then we use where. For example, where does this bus go? Where does this bus go? Where is your home? Where are you going? You write more sentences about in your copy. Follow this, okay? Next is make sentence with whom. When you ask about person, or living things. When you ask about person or living things, then you use whom. For example, whom do you want to talk? Whom do you want to talk? do you like? Okay, everyone, learn this matter and practice this matter at your home and write in your copy. Thank you.